Hello everyone. I'm making this video to give a walkthrough of how we will be able to connect Clover to OtterText. To do so, we need to log into our OtterText dashboard at app.ottertext.com and then navigate to Settings and Integrations. There you can find Clover. If this connect button is in gray, that means not yet connected. So we're going to click on it. Okay, you'll see we have our privacy policy and end user license agreement both listed here in case you want to give them a look. You can just click and go through these. Okay, to connect, we simply need to click on this connect button. Okay, so now we'll need to log in to our merchant dashboard. So either it will give me a button to connect, or since I'm already this is in sandbox mode, this might send me directly back to the dashboard with the connection successful. All right, let me find my 2FA code. It's 365006. Login. All right, so as you can see, it sent me back to my auto dashboard and says connected successfully. And if you notice now, Clover has this connect button changed to syncing. What syncing means, after the successful connection, uh, we use the Clover API to get historic customer data. So all the customers of this specific merchant, they will be synced with AutoText so that they can be used for different type of automations and campaigns. With this Clover integration, if you go back and go to lists, you will notice it created a list as well called Clover, and it has no customer in it, obviously. Now let me go back to settings, integrations. Let me just change this, complete this syncing process. Okay, so once the syncing process is complete, it will show us something like this that will say enabled. Now, based on this, what we can do is we can go to automations, create automation, say Clover purchase. So this is how we can use the Clover integration. For the starting point, we can choose. So when a new purchase is completed on Clover, this automation will get triggered and will send a message to the customer. When trigger is received, the audience, all customers, frequency, every time, and say this is the test Clover message for demo, and that is that's it. Now let me log into my merchant dashboard and do a test transaction. Okay, so to do a test transaction, I'm gonna just choose new sale, $1 test. And Nelson, let me just use a test card. Name can be Ben Nelson, Spidey. That's it. And let's do a transaction. Done. This transaction should have synced the customer. So if I go to list, I will see in Clover I have one customer. If I go to automation, Clover purchase has a automation. That's it.